Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market on Friday and what is expected tomorrow in the market for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Reliance. So we said clearly, like if there is a gap down happening, so we can look for only market going down. So the entry was here. The entry was here actually give 100 points movement actually. That is the only entry that was possible for the Nifty because it had a good gap down. We could not have like more than it is maximum 100 points. They were expecting it. Market gave really in the end actually. Otherwise, it was all volatile till then. There was only entry that was possible and then gave close to 80 to 100 points here. That was only trade. Now, what is expected of the market is next target they are looking for is 24 545. So that how it reaches there is the point. If there is a gap down right away from to this point, then we need to wait for the price action to see next push going down. Then we can take a trade based on that. If it breaks the swing on the higher side, then we need to go for long. Otherwise, we are looking for only market going down further based on the price action that is going to happen. But the next possible the target we are seeing is 24 545, and in case if there is a gap up, so these are the two places where we can expect the resistance. This trend line is coming, so probably we can expect if there could be a rejection here if there is a gap up and may get pushed down, or if there is a gap up till this point we may expect again a push from here to go down actually. So we are expecting basically if it is a gap down, the maximum target is this point, and if there's a gap up, then if there's based on rejection, we can look for it. Market may still come and touch this previous day low, or it might come and close it around 24 640, which is again a support that we're looking for it. So these are the few trades we can scenarios we can look at it for Nifty on Monday, which is tomorrow. Let's see what can we see expect from market for bank nifty and what we had planned for it. So we said if there's a gap down and then if we are seeing a red candle, first red candle, we can go for short. But market again came inside of the zone actually, which we actually had drawn. Market never ever able to come. I mean go down thing. It's still inside the zone only. So market is not able to close it on the lower side actually. So we need to plan both the sides which are possible tomorrow. So first thing is if we are since the day candle was a kind of little green, so we need to plan for both the sides actually. So let's look at the chart in a 5 minute thing and see it right. If there's a gap up, we can expect from here. We need to wait for a green candle. If it is closing above this one, then we might expect market going above further for 500s up. If it is getting rejected here, then we can might expect market coming and touching this trend line and kind of volatile after that actually. If there is a gap down and if it is able to close this trend line that you have been like which you have drawn right, this trend line which is kind of coming, let's see how is it right. This there is a trend line which is passing through. If it is a gap down and closes the previous day low, then we might if there's any green candle formed below this one, go for definitely for short. We might expect 500 points down. This is about bank nifty. Only possibility of buying seen is above 51 600. Above that only if there's a green candle, we are expecting a long scenario. Otherwise we are looking for all short scenario. So only thing is we might get rejected from here. If there's a gap up, we may get rejected and we may expect 500 points. If there's a gap down below this previous day low, we might expect 500 point movement down. So this is about bank nifty. Reliance, I think we were looking for 20 points only. So market, it could not come inside. It got rejected here right away. So this is the point of entry, and it gave exactly movement of 20 points. So market is still going down. So if there is a gap down, this is the target. Tomorrow we are expecting it where 22,978, right? This is a target I'm expecting it. So we might expect kind of a bounce here, but that is not for trade. After like bouncing, we need to wait for a kind of reversal, hitting any of the resistances and then getting pushed We have to see the price action, so the market will go further down for Reliance. So these are the three scripts we daily discuss, and then we see the kind of how based on the opening, and then how the first few minute candles, 5 minute candle are behaving, and find the trend, take trade, right? So it was been like 70-80% big going good for all these scripts. So hope you enjoy this analysis and able to understand this scenario. You can put a like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, thanks for watching this video.